Welcome to VEX Weekly. Today we're going to be talking about in this new series about all the stuff going on in VEX news, whether it be new robots, new rules, new updates, or tournaments that have happened. We're starting now on VEX Weekly. So today on VEX Weekly, we have a few videos we'll be talking about of new up-and-coming robots. Let's go to the scene. Here we can see we have a robot, and it is on a up-and-coming conveyor robot with its conveyor moving up and down on pistons. With these, I'm assuming medium pistons, could be large. The main thing with this design that I wanted to go over is how it can help be very efficient and use not a lot of air when getting to the center and long goals. Because of it being able to do this really quickly, I think could be a very efficient method in VEX for the next season. This robot is definitely up and coming. I think a design a lot of teams should use. I've seen it used only twice so far, and I think more teams should look at this video and think about doing this. Our next video also comes from the same robot builder, but a little bit later down the line, and it shows a type of intake with flex wheels and a hood. Now, I don't think flex wheel hood is the meta here, but I do like those flex wheel arms. I think this would be the approach to go with this season, considering that these blocks can be intaked very quickly from two flex wheel arms. Now, we see another video here with a more rubber band sprocket approach, where they don't have any arm. It's a simple intake that we've used before, mostly in over-under season. Now this intake could work well. The only problem is match loading bars, but you could use a passive loader, as seen on our later bot LTC and their robot. But this one, I think it could be effective, but I still think the arm method is just going to be a tad faster, tad more efficient. And those are the two types of intake methods you just have to decide between. Personally, arm method's going to work better, but if you want to do the classic over-under take, be my guest. Moving on to our next clip here, we have the rubber band bot made by J-Hop Crew on the 9 Motor Gang YouTube channel. Now here they demonstrate their robot, and it is very fast. And what I love about this robot is that drivetrain. Being able to get over that park barrier so fast as seen here, that is incredible. The thing I don't love about that robot is that intake. I don't know if they designed it to be fast or not, but that is just slow. So I don't think teams should do this, although this approach could work if you just speed it up a lot. Although you have to be careful with speed so you don't knock out your blocks in the middle goals, as seen in a clip before. And finally, with our last clip here, we're going to look at LTCs Robot, one of the best up-and-coming robots as seen so far. So this robot, it has a classic sprocket intake as we talked about. It also has a bar that goes underneath the tube and can get all the match loads in, and it also has on the end an extendable ramp which can be collapsed and extended, and can really help with getting to those middle and long goals. This is a good robot using good methods of pneumatics to help it get to those different goals instead of having what some people are doing with the trap doors. And it has a good intake. I don't know if I agree with the conveyor because there is a problem with the blocks falling out. I think rubber band's going to keep it more tight, also be more fast and efficient. But this could work. A rubber band sprocket method with this kind of style will definitely work. You can take that rubber band sprocket at the end there and you extend it all the way up with more. You got yourself a really good bot. I think all these bots show different qualities of what could be to come in VEX pushback and what could become the meta. Anyways, that's it for this time on VEX News.